Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly.
We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter holiday and that you're ready to go for term 2. Lots of things are going to be happening this time. We have swimming, which is going to take place for our preps, grade 1s, grade 2s, grade 3s and grade 4s. So remember to bring a towel and bathers each time you need to go swimming. At the end of last term, the grade 4s went off on camp. They had an amazing time. I've seen the photos and spoken to lots of students, and it's really, really good news to hear. At the moment, our grade 6s are off on camp. The teachers are emailing and sending us videos around all the amazing things that they're doing, so we hope they had a really wonderful time as well. And we've got student reports coming up this term, so lots of tests and lots of assessments. So good luck, everybody. I hope it goes well. And finally, a little bit of exciting news. Mr. Carlson's going to be getting a new puppy. So at some stage, you'll see this new puppy coming into my office and around the school. So keep your eyes out for little photos as he comes in, okay? Have a wonderful time. See you, everyone.
Welcome to this week's Student Talk. I'm Sahaj, this is Saranja, and this is Suhan. Today we'll be talking with Abuba and Carmen from 3J. First, we're going to start with Abuba. If you could travel to any country in the world, where would you go?
Thailand.
What is your favorite sport?
Soccer.
What job do you want to do when you grow up?
Business.
Great one. Who is one person you look up to?
My dad.
What is your favorite food?
Pasta.
If you were stranded on an island, what is one thing you would take with you?
My food.
Now on to Carmen. If you could be any animal, what would you be and why?
I would be a dog because they're fast.
What is your favorite thing to do in the weekends?
Play soccer.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
Super speed.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
I don't have one.
Do you have any pets?
No.
What's your favorite season?
Winter.
Stay tuned for more Teacher Talks next week.
Bye.